Hello world, welcome to Python Things. Our today's lecture is on operators. But before starting with operators, there are two more topics. One is comments in Python and second thing is print function. So let's move to these topics. Okay, what is comments? Comments are used to pass the instructions to our code, like what is happening in our code. Sometimes we just write the code and nobody knows what is happening. If you write a code and second another developer wanted to check what is happening in the code, that time these comments will be useful. Another thing, it increase the readability of your program, because if you write the comments for every code you write, then anyone in the like whether he is a coder or non-coder, he easily get the idea what is happening. So comments are really important for our code. Third thing, sometimes developers use this comment to skip the part of our code or any part of code to run. Let's start how to define a comment. So there are two types of comment. One is multi-line comment and second thing is single line comment. How to define single line comment? There are three ways. One is hash. This is single line comment. Second, double quotations. This is also single line comment. Third, single quotations. So we can use these three methods to define a single line comment. But sometimes what happen, we need to define comment in paragraph. I mean, there is many things to define in the code. So single line comment won't work in that case. So how we define the multi-line comment? There are two ways. One is double triple quotes. This is multi-line comment. Or we can use single also. So what is the need of these triple quotes? If you want to write a paragraph, let's say this is the paragraph contains 17 or 18 lines. So you need to pass it like this. This is line 1, something like this. Line 2, line 3, and so on. So this is tough. This is not a right way to write a comment. So that's why in that case we need triple quotes. So yeah, we will see this comment in our upcoming lectures more, because comments and print function we will use almost in every program. So let's run it. Python comments.py. So there is nothing to print, because comments are those which is not going to print in our terminal. Let's move on to print function. So what is print function? Print function is used to print message and values, like hello, this is Python. So when we run it, Python print function.py. So yeah, this message is printed. Hello, this is Python. We can print the values also. Let's say we declare a variable x equal to 10 and we print this variable x. So this is the value of x. We will talk about variables in our upcoming lectures. But right now, just focus on print function. It will use to print messages and values. So let's move on to operators, and we will talk about print uh, function use cases in our upcoming lectures also. So what is operators? Operators is operator is something which is used to perform operations on values. Like there are multiple type of operators. One is arithmetic operators, like plus, minus, divide, modulus, floor division, and exponential. And multiply also. Okay, so let's see what is the use cases of these. Print 10 plus 2. Everybody knows what is the value. It will be 12. 10 minus 2, or we can take the example of 3, which will help for other examples also. Divide, multiply, modulus, floor division, and exponential. Okay, so let's have a look what these value will print. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 divided by 3, it's 3.3.3. 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. 10 modulus by 3. So what is this modulus? Modulus is it's work like a division, but it will give the value of remainder, not the quotient. It means if we divide 10 by 3, only 1 is left. Or if we divide it by 2, then the value will be 0 because 10 is completely divisible by 2. 0. Okay. 10 floor division by 3. Floor division means when we divide it, it will give the value of our quotient, which is 3. And 10 exponential by 3, which will be 1000. So this work like 10 multiply by 10 multiply by 10. So these are the arithmetic operations. If we do something like point 0, Save it, run it, then it will give the value of 3.03, because now we are dividing float value with the integer value. Float and integer, we will discuss this in our upcoming lecture when we discuss about the data types. Second is conditional operators. There are three type of conditional operators. Sorry, not three, it's six operators. Double equal to, not equal to, greater than, smaller than equal to, and greater than equal to. So these are the six conditional operators we have. Print 10 double equal to 10, 9. 11, let's say 10, okay, not equal to, and not equal to. Greater than, greater than. Less than, less than. Greater than equal to, or greater than equal to. Less than equal to, less than equal to. Okay, so let's comment this out and run this. Okay, 10 is double equal to 10, true. 10 double equal to 9, false. 10 is not equal to 10, false. 10 is not equal to 9, true. 10 greater than equal to 11, false. Then 10 is greater than 9, true. 10 less than 11, true. 10 less than 9, false. 10 greater than equal to 10. It is not greater than but equal to 10, so true. 10 greater than equal to 11, false. It is neither greater or nor equal. 10 less than equal to 10, true. 10 less than equal to 9, false. So this is how our conditional operators works. Now the third is logical operators. And, or, not. So what is AND? When both the values are 1. than true. When any of the value is 1, then true. When false, or when 0, then true. We can't say both, we can say when all the values are 1. Either it can be 2, 3, 4. Let's say, okay, in coding there are one thing: if anything is 0, then it is 0. If anything is not 0, it is 1. Either it is a, either it is 10,000, either it is minus 50, it is considered as 1. So print, okay, let's comment it out first. Print 10,000 and 0. Minus 1. Let's print. So we can see 1000 is considered as 1. This is considered as 0. So the output will be 0, means false. 1000 is considered as 1, and minus 1 is also considered as 1. So it will take it as true, then it takes a second value. If we reverse it, and run it, then it will print 1000. Now check the condition of OR. And comment this part. So 1 or 0, one condition is true, so this is considered as true, so the one value is printed, means 1000. In this case both are true, so the first value is printed. In this case again both are true, so the first value is printed, minus 1. I know this is currently some sort of confusing, but when we use it in our program, you will understand the concept. And what is not, we can check that also. So we can see 1000 is considered as 1. So not 1 should be 1 should be true, but we put not in this, so it is considered as false. So not is just reverse the condition of the, or the value of uh, the actual result. 0 is considered as false, but because we put not, it is considered as now true. So this is how operators work. We will go through all the operators and print functions and comments in our upcoming lectures. So if you have any doubt in operators for now, just comment it out. I will I will include those in our upcoming lectures. And thank you. We will come with the another lecture of variables.